Hi, welcome to Siri Tutorials. So today we are going to do important questions, one more questions based on three-dimensional geometry. Okay, so 3D geometry, most important one more questions which are previous questions. Okay, so in this class we will do. So before this, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. With that, you will get notifications. Okay, right. So we will start first question. What is given in first question? Find DCs of the line whose DRs are 2, -1, 2. Okay, so direction cosines given. Direction cosines are 2 comma -1 comma, we need direction cosines d r's given. So d r's are 2 comma -1 comma 2. What is meaning of direction ratios? A is equal to 2, b is equal to -1, c is equal to 2. Okay, so in this I need to find DCs. DCs I need to find. What is the relation between DCs and DRs? So L comma M comma N. We will represent DCs by like this. So how to write? A by under root of A square plus B square plus C square. Next, yes. Who is this? Welcome, Ritesh. Hi. Okay. So see the problems. So a by under root of a square plus b square plus c square. B by under root of a square plus b square plus c square. Next, c by under root of a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, in this we need to substitute. So first of all I will find under root of a square plus b square plus c square value. What we get? 2 square value is 4, -1 square value is 1, and 2 square value is 4. So orally it is √9, that is equal to 3. Okay na? So substitute here. What we get? 2 divided by 3 as well as -1 divided by 3. Next to C value how much? 2 divided by 3. Okay, so this is the method to find direction cosines whenever direction ratios given. Okay, yes. Next, go through another problem. Okay, so if you know the answer, you can say answer directly. See next one. Find equation of the line parallel to x-axis and passing through origin. Okay, so point given origin. Origin is x1, y1, z1 and parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis means what about DRs of x-axis? 1, 0, 0. Okay, so the question is equation of the line. Equation of the line means what? Equation of line is, what is equation of the line? X minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. Okay, so this is most important problem, and if you want to get out of, so certainly one more questions are important, so that's why we need to do each and every problem carefully. Okay, so x minus x1 value 0, divided by dRs. This is A and this is B and this is C. So 1 is equal to y minus 0 by 0 because B value 0, that is equal to z minus z1 is nothing but 0 divided by C value 0. So the answer is x divided by 1 is equal to y divided by 0, that is equal to z divided by 0. So this represents equation of the line passing through origin and parallel to x-axis. So whenever x-axis given, what about direction? Cosines 1 0 0. Y-axis given, direction cosines 0 1 0. Whenever z-axis given, direction cosines 0 0 1. Okay, so these are the direction cosines, and this is also very important question for annual exam. Okay na? Next, I will move on to one more question. So if a line makes, what was the question? If a line makes angles 90 degrees, alpha is equal to 90 degrees, beta is equal to 135 degrees, and gamma is equal to 45 degrees with positive x, y, z axis, then what about direction cosines? This is the question. Okay, so direction cosines generally we will denote with L M N. Okay, direction cosines. So where L is equal to cos alpha, that is nothing but cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 degrees means 0. M is equal to cos beta, that is nothing but cos 135 degrees. Cos 135 means cos 90 plus 45. 90 plus 45 is nothing but its value is minus sine 45. So directly we can say that minus 1 by root 2. Okay, so next n value, that is equal to cos gamma. Cos gamma is nothing but cos 45 degrees, that is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay na? So direction cosines, what it will be? 0, minus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. These are direction cosines. Okay na? Similarly, one more question will be there as it is. See the question. Same, if a line makes angles 90 degrees, 60 degrees as well as 30 degrees with positive x, y, z axis, then what about DCs? This is also one of the important question. Okay na? Same, L is equal to cos alpha, that is nothing but cos 90 degrees, that is nothing but 0. M is equal to cos beta, that is nothing but cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 how much? 1 by 2. N is equal to cos gamma, that is nothing but cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees value root 3 by 2. So DCs will be, what we can say, 0, 1 by 2, root 3 by 2. Okay na? So these are direction cosines. Okay, so similar two problems we have to do. Okay na? Next, let me move on to another question. So this is the most important question, and this is previous question. Okay na? In previous annual exam, so many times asked. Okay, so What is the question? Find DCs. We need DCs. DCs means L comma M comma N. We need to find. Whenever if a line makes equal angles with coordinate axis. Equal angles means equal angles means alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. Okay, we have one property. What is that? Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. But we have one condition, alpha, beta, gamma are equal. So how can we write cos square alpha plus cos square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1 because alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. From this we can write it is 1, 2, 3. How much? 3 cos square alpha is equal to 1. That implies cos square alpha is equal to 1 by 3. So then cos alpha is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. Okay, na? Plus or minus 1 by root 3. Yes. Who is this? Kishan. Hi, welcome. Ritesh. Welcome and see the problem. Okay? Yes. So next, here cos alpha is equal to 1 by root 3, that implies similarly cos beta value also plus or minus 1 by root 3 and cos gamma is also plus or minus 1 by root 3. So therefore DCs, what will be DCs? DCs are plus or minus 1 by root 3 plus or minus 1 by root 3 plus or minus 1 by root 3. So these are DCs. Okay. So this is very important previous question and you have to follow. Right. If there is any doubt you can ask me. I will explain once again also. Okay. Now. So this is easiest and important question. So find equation of the plane with intercept 3 on y-axis which is parallel to ZOX plane. So equation of plane parallel to ZOX plane. What is the form? Y is equal to some constant. Okay, so the plane parallel to ZOX, here y is missing, that's why y is equal to k. So here the value of k given, how much intercept is 3. So that implies equation of plane is y is equal to 3. So y is equal to k, here k value intercept given, its value is 3. Yes, who is this? D Boast jumping. Okay, right. Hi, welcome. But name I unable to identify. Right. See another one. So next problem. Okay. Yes. Welcome to you all. See the problems carefully. Yes. Who is this? Srishal. Right. Welcome, Srishal. See the problems. These are important problems, 1 mark questions. It will be helpful to you a lot. for upcoming exam. Okay. Yes. See, find DC's direction cosines of the line passing through 2 points. Okay, na? Find direction. Yes, yes, I understood. I understood, Srishal. Okay. Yes, welcome. Okay, na? Right, right. Next, what is given question? Find the direction cosines of the line passing through 2 points. What are given points? Given points are -2, 4, -5, as well as 1, 2, 3. Yes, these are given points. To find DCs, we have the formula. What is that formula? L comma M comma N is equal to relation between DCs and DRs. A by under root of A square plus B square plus C square, B by under root of A square plus B square plus C square, as well as C by under root of A square plus B square plus C square. Okay. Here we need to find ABC values. How to find? Easy. So DRs we can find based on this formula: x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So how to find? 1 plus 2, next 2 minus 4, next 3 plus 5. So that is 3 comma minus 2 comma 8. We got DR's ABC values. Okay, na? I got ABC values. Now, here the common term is under root of A square plus B square plus C square, under root of A square plus B square plus C square. So, I will find under root of A square plus B square plus C square, that is equal to under root of 9 plus 4 plus 64, that is nothing but root 77. Okay, substitute here, what you get? So the answer will be A means 3 divided by root 77, B minus 2 divided by root 77, C 8 divided by root 77. So this will be the answer. So whenever 2 points given, we need to find DRs, direction ratios, and substitute in the formula. Okay, very easy. Next, I will move on to one more question. Similar method, DRs given, you can find DCs. This is very easy. How to find DRs means A is equal to 2, B is equal to -1, C is equal to -2. Then under root of A square plus B square plus C square is equal to root 4 plus 1 plus 4, that is nothing but 3. Root 9 value is 3. Okay. Now I need DCs. What do you mean by DCs? A by 2 by 3, B by -1 by 3, C by -2 by 3. Okay, na? Same as previous formula. A by under root of, B by under root of, C by under root of. Okay, very easiest problem. Next, let us move on to another problem. So I think this is already, we have written equation of the line parallel to x-axis. What is the answer for this? X by 1 is equal to y by 0 is equal to z by 0. Parallel to x-axis. What about parallel to y-axis? Parallel to y-axis is x by 0 is equal to y by 1 is equal to z by 0. Parallel to z-axis is what? X by 0 is equal to y by 0 is equal to z by 1. Okay, na? So, in any method given, x-axis means this problem, y-axis means another one, z-axis means another one. Okay, na? So, three problems at once came. Next, let us move to another problem. This is most important problem. See this. What is given? Find the distance between the planes. This is first plane. 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 4. Next, 4x plus 6y plus 8z is equal to 12. For this, I will multiply 2. What we get? 2 2s are 4x plus 6y plus 8z is equal to 8. Compare these two. These two are parallel. Okay, na? Parallel means only constant is different. Remaining total is same. Okay, na? So, I will substitute in formula. What is distance? Distance between parallel planes. Parallel planes is equal to mod d1 minus d2 by under root of a square plus b square plus c square. That is equal to d1 minus d2. How much? Here I will take d1 as 12, d2 as 8, divided by under root of a square. A square is nothing but 16. 4 square is equal to 16. 6 square is equal to 36. 8 square is equal to 64. Okay. So 36 plus 64. So that is equal to how much we get? 12 minus 8. 4 divided by under root of this is 64 plus 3600 and its value is 116. 4 divided by 116. Okay, na? So here next another problem. What are the direction cosines of z-axis? Direction cosines of z-axis. Z-axis means we will write like this. Z-axis means DCs of z-axis just before we have seen 0, 0, 1. What about DCs of x-axis? X-axis DCs 1, 0, 0. Y-axis DCs 0, 1, 0. So this is z-axis. So these are all direction cosines of all axes. Okay. Yes. Next one. Another question. This is little bit of a different question. So find DR's direction ratios asked. Generally, x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. Here a, b, c. These are direction ratios. A comma b comma c are direction ratios. Now I will convert a given one. X minus 1 by 2 is equal to 3y is equal to 2z plus 3 by 4. I will convert into the form. What is that? X minus 1 by 2, no problem. I will write this as y divided by 1 by 3, 3 towards the denominator, is equal to 2 common. What we get? Z plus 3 by 2 divided by 4. Here 2 2s are. So then what we get? So x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y divided by 1 by 3 is equal to z plus 3 by 2 divided by 2. So these are direction ratios. DRs are 2 comma 1 by 3 comma 2. Okay, so these are direction ratios. Convert into standard form. Convert into standard form and find A comma B comma C. Okay, next let me move on to another question. Find the Cartesian equation of the line passing through 2 points. Okay, so whenever 2 points given, x1 y1 z1, next x2 y2 z2, 2 points given. What about equation of the line? Equation of line form is x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1. Just substitute in this. You have x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2. Substitute in this. X minus x1, minus into minus plus 1, x2 minus x1, how much? 3 plus 1 is equal to y minus y1, 0, divided by y2 minus y1, 4 minus 0, is equal to z minus z1. Z minus z1 is nothing but 2, divided by z2 minus z1 is nothing but 6 minus 2. So just to simplify this, you will get the answer. Okay, x plus 1 divided by 4 is equal to y by 4 is equal to z minus 2 by 6 minus 2 value 4. Okay, so this is the form of equation of the line passing through 2 points. Okay, next I will move on to one more question. This is also most important problem, and most of the people won't see this. Okay, so easy once you go through. I will take x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. This is x, y, z. Equation of the plane, which equation of the plane cuts the coordinate axis at these points. Suppose at this point means a0 0, at this point means 0 b 0, at this point means 0 0 c. Then the plane will be like this. Okay, so equation of the plane here, x intercept is a, y intercept is b, z intercept is c. So x intercept is equal to a, y intercept is equal to b, z intercept is equal to c. Then what about equation will be x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. Okay, na? This is equation of the plane. Very easy. Understood? Next, move on to another question. This is very easiest problem. Everybody can do this. What is that? A bar is unit vector. Unit vector length how much? 1. So what is value of this? X bar minus A bar dot x bar plus a bar is equal to 8. Okay, so then we need to find x bar value. So it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. We can write it as a square minus b square is equal to 8. That implies mod x bar square minus 1, because its value is 1 is equal to 8. That implies mod x bar square is equal to 8 plus 1. So here that implies mod x bar is equal, x bar squared is equal to 9, then mod x bar is equal to 3. So don't write plus or minus 3. Okay na? So this is very crucial step, because this will be positive only, no negative. Okay na? Next, another question. Equation of the plane with intercepts given. Very easy. What is x-intercept is equal to 2, y-intercept is equal to 3, z-intercept is equal to 4. What is equation of the plane? X by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. Substitute in this. Substitute in this x by a. A means how much? 2 plus y by 3 plus z by 4 is equal to 1. What is LCM? 12 will be LCM. So 2 6s are, 3 2s are, 4 3s are. So 6x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 1. The answer will be 6x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 12. This is another problem. With this, one more problem will be there. Intercepts we need to find. Okay na? So intercepts, how to find? 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 5. I will convert into standard form. X by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. Okay, so here I will write it as 2x by 5 plus y by 5 minus z by, here z by 5 is equal to 1. So again I will change this as x by 5 by 2 plus y by 5 plus z by minus 5 is equal to 1. So x-intercept is 5 by 2. Next, y-intercept is equal to 5. Z-intercept is equal to minus 5. Okay na? So this is the way to find the solutions. So these are very important problems. So with this you will get certainly 1 mark from 3-dimensional geometry. Okay na? So in further class I will do problems on determinants. Okay na? So go through all these problems. You won't miss 1 mark question from 3-dimensional geometry. Okay na? So if you like this, just press the right thumb as well as next share. Okay, thank you one and all. Good night.